On this day, 16th of July 1969, the whole world witnessed the grand takeoff of the Apollo 11 from Kennedy Space Center with 3 astronauts on board: Commander Neil Armstrong, Command Module Pilot Michael Collins and Lunar Module Pilot Edwin Buzz Aldrin. After 3 days from the launch on 19th of July, the spaceship entered lunar orbit. Eagle, the lunar module, disengaged from the main command module. The next day, 20th of July 1969, along with Armstrong and Aldrin. As the Eagle touched the lunar surface, Armstrong radioed his historical message to Mission Control in Houston, Texas: "The Eagle has landed." At 10:39 p.m. Armstrong made his way out of the lunar module and climbed his way down its ladder. His progress was being recorded by a television camera attached to the module, transmitting signals back to Earth, where the world was watching with heart in their hands. At 10:56 p.m., Armstrong stepped on the moon's powdery surface, and spoke his iconic words: "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Thus marking 20th July on everyone's calendar as a historic event, International Moon Day, all around the world.
You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot. Okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder now. I'm at the foot of the ladder. The 11-foot beds are only impressed in the surface about 1 or 2 inches. I'm going to step off the limb now. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Tony, this is so great you can't believe it. Oh, I believe it, Charlie. It's raining, Charlie. I'll give it a go, would you, Charlie? You got all your steering, it's great. Oh, this is going to be some kind of different ride. Hippity hoppity, hippity hopping over hill and dale. Da 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 da. Hippity hopping along. One ignition. Burn away, Houston. Vector good.
We're burning flat.
That's right.
Looks good, flat.
Observation.